Whew. Guys, I just had a great butterfly knife workout, Balisong, YouTube, whatever. Some of you guys asked for it. Here are somebody asked, how do you work out with, well, I'm glad you asked. Here is some of my better stuff, and I'll show you some of the ones I dropped at the end of this video, after I do all the cool stuff. You know what I'm saying.
Burn me out like cuts, fade out when Centralia dust. Nostrils off of dust, or like veins too many needles touch. If pain is beauty, I'm a pretty bitch. Gone too quiet, now they're whispering. If you blink then you might miss it. Every hour is a week. I don't need sympathetics, I just need some room to breathe. Do not fucking talk to me, my genetics got me tweaked. Running from myself, I can't blame them when they leave. Time slips away, burn out, don't fade, death on my grave. I will never be there. 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 My mind is a mosh pit, think I might have lost it. I'm starting to believe there's only one way I can stop this. If pain is beauty, I'm a guillotine. Yeah, you bring the match, I'll bring the person. Let the counterfeit say suffocate me in my sleep. I don't wanna wake up, all memories all they eat. Do not fucking look at me, paranoia got me deep. They say they wanna help, but they always fucking leave. Leaving by myself, leaving D&D. Leaving in the dark, leaving with these things. Tell me that you love me, I know all your talk is cheap. Baby, I'm a cold mistake, I was never like to play. Time slips away, burn out, don't fade, death on my grave. I will never be there. 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 I can't fucking